Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video we talked about how to install Live Server in your Visual Studio Code as add-on. Now we'll talk about how to install Live Server using Node.js and npm. So it's pretty much easy, not much to worry about. So it is very easy step that we have to follow. Before starting ahead or before going ahead, I will request you all, for those who are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Now for this session we have to see how to install Node before even using npm. So I'll just go to my browser instance and I will search, let's say, Node.js. So for those who have not installed Node.js, you can use this particular website, that is nodejs.org en/download. You can just download the Node.js package from here depending on the OS that you're using. If you're using Mac OS, you can use the version for Mac. If you're using Windows, you can use for Windows. It's totally fine. Before going ahead, I'll just see my current Mac or my Node version. So I'll go to my terminal, that's over here in my Visual Studio Code, and I will say new terminal. So you can see new terminal has been opened and it is running under my folder, that is JavaScript first program. That is JavaScript first program over here, and I will say node space -v to check my Node version. And yes, for me Node is already installed, that is v14.15.0. for you, if it's not installed, please go back and install it from here, that will work for you. And now we have to install the Live Server application from this particular npm application, that is Node Package Manager. So for this we have to install Node.js, that's already installed. So I will say npm install live server g. So -g is for global. Let's wait for a couple of seconds and see what exactly is the result. And you can see it is installing now. And yes, it is done. We'll wait for a couple more seconds to complete the installation. It will take a while to install, so please be patient for this. And yes, the package is installed now, so we can run the Live Server application from here, that is live-server. Hit enter. And you can see, yes, it is open now. And this is the port and the IP. Let's close it. We'll go to the browser again. I'll paste it here. We'll inspect it in a Chrome browser because we're using it now. So using the same for that same reason. Just close it or clear the console. I'll go to my Visual Studio Code and let's type something over here. Let's say console log, and I will say Live Server is loaded. Save, go back here and you can see, yes, it is loaded over here. So this is an example, and we have seen now how exactly it works in case of npm. Again, to reiterate, Live Server is used to avoid or save your time from refreshing the browser again and again whenever you make any changes in your code, and it helps to save some time and concentrate more on your coding practices. So for those who don't know how to install Live Server in your Visual Studio Code, please go back and check my previous videos. In this video, we have already covered how to use it via npm and Node.js. So thanks a lot for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you. Bye-bye.